Good evening. Tonight we're focusing on the tech industry facing one of its toughest recessions in years. We're seeing a significant
100,000 tech employees have lost their jobs.
Layoffs.
The layoff.
Tracking employees and logging up about 10,000 workers, the largest in Amazon's history.
AI tech companies are laying off workers.
And my biggest mistake was doing an unpaid internship. What are you about to hear is not a success story, it's a survival story. Story of rejection, a story of failure, a story of crying at 2 a.m. in a city that doesn't even know your name. But it's also a story of a guy who had zero connection, who had zero referrals, who had no backup plan, but somehow ended up with a blockchain developer at India's premier research and development organization. But bhai ye sab hua kaise? That's exactly what I'm going to tell you today. So apni seat belt band lo because this one is a long journey.
We keep on moving.
Unlike anything you would see in a Karan Johar's movie, and I mean this genuinely, I was actually living my best life. I was enjoying, I was partying, I was bunking lectures like it was a sport, chilling with my friend circles like there's no tomorrow.
No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass good?
At DHC college, not an IIT, not even close though. But man, those 4 years was something else. And honestly, I had zero urgency, zero panic. I thought high CGPA अच्छा है यार, 8.5 to 9.5 के बीच में चल रहा था. कुछ तो कुछ हो ही जाएगा. वही classic engineer mindset, confident, comfortable, and completely unaware what was coming. But life has this weird habit. Just when you think you have figured out, it flips the script completely. Until one day, out of nowhere, a college mail drops. It was like, you are required to complete a 1 month mandatory internship. And I was like, भाई मैं कौन सी internship करूँगा भाई? I had no connection. I look around at my friends. They were calling their elder brother, elder sister, friends, cousins, parents, and asking for the referrals, asking for the 1 month internship at the elder brother's company. And I was like, भाई मैं क्या करूँगा? I had zero connection. I have no one in my IT sector. So I started researching companies in Nagpur, companies that were actually hiring interns. And what I found was nothing, barely anything. I was like, the entire city decided fresh is not today. Then one day, out of nowhere, I got a call from a company. It's a startup. They're saying like you can do a 1 month internship at companies. I was like, okay man, bhai chalo karte hain internship. But they're like, unpaid hai. Yes, 0 rupees, absolutely nothing. But you know what? I said yes because I thought I don't have to move out from the city. At least I'm learning something. So the company name was ICIC. It's a startup. It's Nagpur based company located in Nandanvan, Nagpur. If you are from Nagpur, you can search about it. It was unpaid, but it was a beginning. So I thought, why not to choose? So I started my internship. I was going there for a month. I was chilling. I've started learning React at the time. So after that internship, something went very wrong. Something weird happened. Like my all friends are getting very serious and I was juggling. I was thinking भाई अब मेरा क्या होगा? They were serious. भाई हम जो मस्ती करते थे उसका क्या होगा? The whole college atmosphere were completely different now. The reality was starting to hit. I was like, Adarsh, अब सच में सोचना पड़ेगा भाई. It's very high time. I started preparing for the placement. My CGPA was solid between 8.5 to 9. My skills were building up. तो भाई मेरे पास confidence भी था. And I genuinely believe भाई कोई ना कोई कंपनी तो लेके ही चली जाएगी. But I had no idea what was waiting for the other side. The final year. The year that was supposed to be our moment. And every single of us sitting in a college waiting for the companies to walk through the gate and offer us the job. But I think God had other plans for me. The companies are coming to the college and the companies were sales roles, field job, marketing, sales. I was like, bhai, इसलिए engineering करिए. Nothing close to what I have studied. Like I have given my 4 years to computer science, bro. I was like, भाई computer science पढ़ा हूँ मैं. Meanwhile, my friends on other sides were looking for the internship, full-time internship or giving interview, cracking interview. I was scared. I was really scared. भाई क्या होगा मेरा? And I was like, I was sending my job application every single day from morning to night. I was researching. I was applying to the companies. I was asking for the referrals. I am getting rejected day by day. I was numb. I was depressed. But I kept telling myself कि भाई यार मैंने इसलिए तो पढ़ाई नहीं की है. So one day I called my elder brother working at a senior software developer at Noida. So I was like, चलो try करते हैं, भैया से referral मांगते हैं. So I picked up my call. I called my brother saying, भैया कोई referral है क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? My brother was like, हाँ bro come आजा कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे. I was like, bro finally कुछ हुआ. And on the other side, my friend, the same guy who had literally completed each other's assignment, who was my partner in crime for 4 years, he comes to me and say, bhai, there's an internship, there's a 6-month internship, who is giving us an internship for 6 months, which is actually a multinational company. And suddenly I had 2 choices. One to go in a Mumbai, do unpaid internship at multinational company, and on other side I had to go Noida, stable job, good working, bhaiya ka support, everything. I was so confused. But like anyone will choose the Noida one job, which is stable, which is good, bhaiya ka support, everything. But bhai maine kya kiya? I chose Mumbai.
The day arrived and I'm finally going to Mumbai.
18 January 2024. I still remember I was packing my bag. My family was happy, nervous, but happy. And then Nagpur station. I was actually leaving my Nagpur. I spent my entire childhood here, but now I'm moving out of city for the sake of unpaid internship. That was literally something what I'm doing. So by मैं निकल चुका था मुंबई के लिए. I was happy, but somewhere I was not aware what was coming. Leaving my parents in Nagpur, leaving everything from Nagpur, heading somewhere in new city is actually bigger. So next day in the morning, it was on 19th January 2024, and at sharp 8 AM in the morning, I stepped out and just stood there for a second. The noise, the crowd, the energy, everything hitting at once. I literally couldn't believe that I'm in Mumbai, bro. Bhai Mumbai to aa gaya, but I have some days before I joined my internship. So I had one more cousin in Mumbai who is actually living in Mumbai at Mahalakshmi, which is in South Bombay. He said, stay here till you find a flat. भाई मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है ढूंढ लेंगे फ्लैट तब तक के कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. And trust me bro, I was actually living a movie. Brushing my teeth on the balcony, looking at Antilia in the distance, watching Gautam Singhanias driving his Ferrari and with his Conway. I was like, damn, I was living the dream. One day I realized I have to find out my flat here in Mumbai. So I started searching the flat here in Mumbai. Meanwhile, the day came, the first day of my internship in Mumbai. The company was Toyo Engineering, which is a Japanese multinational company located in Mumbai, Kanjurmarg. The office culture was totally different like other companies. There were people around Japan, people around Tokyo, and I was like, I'm surrounded with the Japanese engineers, and I was like, okay bhai, what I am living. But I have to commute to Mahalakshmi to Kanjurmarg every single day. It was long, exhausting, and I was like, bhai, मैं थक रहा हूँ यार. I literally have to pick local train from Mahalakshmi to Dadar, then I have to change the train from Dadar to Kanjurmarg. It was such a hectic things to do in Mumbai, but वो कहते हैं ना मुंबई सब सिखाती है bro. Between my internship, I've started finding an apartment in Mumbai because जो फ्लैट में मैं रह रहा था वो मेरे भाई का था, because I don't have to be a burden on him. So I've started finding an apartment. Trust me, I've realized that finding an apartment in Mumbai is harder than finding a job. It took me around 2 months to find a good apartment. So after 2 months with my cousin, my friend called me saying, भाई तू मेरे पास आजा मुलुंड में टेम्पररी के लिए. So I've shifted to मुलुंड. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा था भाई मैं क्यों साउथ बॉम्बे छोड़ रहा हूँ. So भाई मैं मुलुंड चले गया. The Mulund was the crowdest place I've ever seen. So I was like, okay. So I've started commute between Kanjurmarg to Mulund, Kanjurmarg to Mulund, and on daily basis after my office, I started searching about the flat. Bro, it took me straight 2 weeks to find a good apartment nearby, and finally I found an apartment. भाई वो भी था गंसोली में. So I was like, okay. Then I shifted to Ghansoli, which is in Navi Mumbai. Yes, you heard it right. So I finally got an apartment which is in Ghansoli. So bhai, my 3 months of 6 months of internship were totally gone. 3 months यूं निकल गए. But I still don't have a replacement offer. And I still had no PPO, no offer letter, nothing in hand, just hope. And now it's around 5.5 months of my 6 months of internship. Just imagine your parents already spending money on you and you're going back bare hand with no job offer letter. No यार, इसके लिए मैं नहीं आया मुंबई. Actually my work was good in office. People were very good there. The atmosphere of office was very good. But क्या करे भाई? Only 15 days are remaining for my unpaid internship. I was scared. I was too scared. I was like, भाई, I don't want to go back to Nagpur. Ask for an extension. Yes, you heard right. I was asking for an extension for my unpaid internship. That's too in Mumbai. My HOD sir said yes, 3 more months you can extend your internship. I cannot express you भाई मैं क्या सोच रहा था. I was like okay extension मिल गया. I was happy but I was scared because I've asked for an extension. I'm spending more time and spending more money of my parents for this unpaid internship. भाई इस बार कुछ ना कुछ उखाड़ लेना. So I've started preparing myself. Yes, plan B. So I've started applying many other companies across Mumbai, made profile on Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, and started applying as many as job application as I can. There was a time in my life when I was applying to many companies every single day. I still remember I have set a target to apply at least 500 jobs roles daily. I was applying, eating, traveling. I've skipped my meals. My sleep cycle were fucked up. Everything was going very bad, and I've started facing rejection every single day. I had literally applied 2.5k job application, more than 1500s of old mails, and by trust me, that time was so difficult for me. I was completely broke, completely scared. Yes, not because I'm getting rejection, because yes. Only 1 month of my internship was remaining out of my 3 months of extension internship. I was doing walk-ins in Borivali, Lower Parel, Airoli, Andheri, sometimes 2 to 3 interviews in every single day. And I have honestly experienced some of the worst part of my life. For the past couple of months, I was depressed, I was lonely, I was crying every single night. My entire hard work preparing for this moment, and now I see everything is slipping out of my hand. Imagine I go home without an offer letter, without a job. But wait, and guess what? I'm back.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off.
Now I know the game. I know the job game. I've literally tried everything. I literally did everything. Rejected, applied, walk-ins, everything. 1 more month left and something had changed. I started getting shortlisted. Damn, day by day I've started shortlisted for many companies. I've shortlisted for many companies like BlackRock, Morningstar, Accenture, many more companies. 10 days left for my internship. The final 10 days. Bro, I really have to do something in this 10 days. I have only 10 days in my hand. And you know what? I've shortlisted for the world's biggest company, which is BlackRock. And imagine you're going to the interview, you had done very good interview, you're shortlisted for every round, but in final round, the luck wasn't with me. I completely broke, man. I was like, ab nahi ho pa raha hai mujhse. The 5 days are remaining. I was like, I want to go home back. Only 1 day remaining to my last day of internship. I came to my office. Like every day, I had my lunch. I was so depressed. I have so much pressure. And this company is saying that we are releasing your offer letter, but it will take time. I don't have time, bro. I came to office, I had a lunch. I'm so much in pressure. I came back to my desk. I still remember, I've opened my laptop. I was depressed. And like any other day, I've started applying to companies. I've started my Gmail. And I've saw something that I've really never ever imagined.
Keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah, no, we ain't slowing
Yes,
it down.
हो गया.
Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down.
And that is the story of my placement. It was honestly one of the most difficult phase of my life. Those 9 months, man. But if there's one thing I've learned from all this thing, is that not everyone who walks with you is meant to stay. Not even your friends. So listen to your parents, listen to your partner, and the most importantly, learn to stand on your own and burn this one thing in your mind, that pressure is a privilege.
Mornings whisper soft and low.
So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Where did the night go?